Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. Are you currently facing the issue that your Instagram followers are now stuck and you want to be able to fix it? Well then actually I'm going to show you how I myself was able to fix it quite quickly because me myself I had the exact same problem before and I'm going to show you step by step how I was actually able to fix it because I didn't even know why it actually fixed this issue, but it worked for me, so I think it's going to work for you as well. And it is quite a random fix. What you're going to do firstly is to just open up your Instagram app, and then you're going to come to your profile right here, as you can see. And then what you're going to do, you're actually going to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines, and as you can see, you should now be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So now what you're going to do on this page is to just click on settings and privacy, as you can see. So click on settings and privacy, and it should now take you to this page, which is perfect. So now what you're going to do on this page is to just scroll down a little bit. Keep scrolling down until you can find where it says help. So click on help, and then you're going to click on report a problem. So click on report a problem, and then once again click on report a problem in here, and then click on include and continue. So now when I came to this page right here, I wrote exactly like this to the Instagram support. And I know some of you are going to think, yeah, it's not going to work. I thought so too, but it did for me. So I actually wrote like this: I have issue with my followers being stuck. I need this to be fixed. It seems sorry, it seems to be a bug on my account. So basically this is what I wrote to them. I have issue with my followers being stuck. I need this to be fixed. It seems to be a bug on my account. And then click on send in the top right corner. And then basically what I did after that, I think I waited like 24 hours and then went back into my account. It was now fixed for me. So I hope that this is going to be able to fix this issue for you as well.